You meet your sister? This butt smells a little different.
Oh, Betty's protecting baby.
Can she just watch you goat? Don't you want to leave?
Oh, she has me. Well, we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed.
From Hollywood to the Homestead.
I'll be right back with the football. She doesn't like that already. So, be back, I promise. So in the craziness that happened during the day, we didn't really get to introduce this little girl. This is Athena. Now we're introducing her to Penelope, the little buddy we got for her yesterday. Definitely hoping for a lifelong friendship. Your friend?
You meet your sister?
Look at your sister.
Hey there. She's bigger.
She is bigger, wow. Well, she was the one goat, so I guess that's good to see for size, just how much, extra nutrients she actually got. She's only 1 day older, that's crazy. Teddy.
Yeah. I know you guys are doing. Look there.
How good. Baby.
Yay, Athena, yay!
Oh, well.
You say hi.
I am also big.
She hears mom, and that's distracting her. But I think she's also enjoying some freedom.
My mom's getting a little much.
Once we get their playpen, we could bring both of them inside and have a little fun together.
Athena, you okay without Mama?
My mom is my whole world. Wow, good zoom. Look at your sister, baby.
Mom? Yeah.
Doesn't have the overprotecting that stuff.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah, go get it.
Yeah, wow. I have a friend. Yeah, wow. Good girl.
Oh, wow, you're so far. Nice dress.
She's so big. Like, she's a lot heavier.
Oh, that's pretty crazy. That's good to see too. The fact that, Poppy only had one baby, how much more nutrients she got than she did coming in triplets. We thought she was small for being a single baby. The course told us that if a mom only has one baby, it gets all the nutrients and gets really big. And she seemed like a normal baby size, but getting to see the two of them together, we'll see that was the case.
That's your sister.
Yeah. I know. You gonna be best friends?
Well, we want to make sure that we don't forget about socializing Athena just because mom is taking care of her and we are taking care of this one. The more we socialize with Athena, the better of a goat she will be.
Ooh.
We don't want to have a...
Just had to get milk out of my throat. Wham.
Delicious.
Give it to me.
We don't want to end up with a goat that doesn't like humans. And so we need to make sure, every day that Athena is getting plenty of love and attention from us.
She will.
I think it's time to introduce Teddy to Athena. She needs to know him. She's getting super sleepy. They both are. But we're gonna pick up a baby pen from the Facebook Marketplace today and we'll be able to put them together.
I think they'll be able to focus on each other a little more rather than Poppy calling at her and making her kind of anxious.
Listen, you can hear her little...
Teddy, you have two babies? What?
Good boy, Teddy. Yeah, the babies don't seem to mind the dogs.
No.
Teddy, wow, 2 babies?
Yeah.
It's like this butt smells a little different.
What do you think, buddy?
Yeah. You. Wow, she hops so much.
Too cute.
Whew. I'm obsessed with this goat. There's Teddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yay, bunny hops. She's such a little bunny rabbit. Is she looking for some milk?
Yeah, no, you can't milk that. I'm sorry. Excuse
He's like, you cannot suck that.
That was a nice little play date.
Okay, well, we're speeding ahead here. We're going to introduce Pippin, who's the sweetest, the least of our alphas here. And so let's see. Trying to get the others not to come in. Go on, Pee-Pee. Good girl, good girl. Okay, we got a Pee-Pee. And she goes straight to the bush. Judging by Pippin's like normal behavior, which is very non-aggressive, I don't think we'll have a problem, but we're still learning. You just never know.
Got so many more sisters to meet, baby. Pippin. Hey, sweetheart.
She doesn't seem to bother by
Just watch and observe.
Put her down and see what happens.
Uh-oh.
Are you in, man?
Give up the milk.
Pippin could.
God, she's
Careless.
massive next to her.
She's excited.
Wee.
Pippin?
It's okay.
Good
Pippin's
girl.
a girl, yeah. Remember how the others treat you and how you would like to be treated.
Still baby.
Don't need a horn in the eye today. Daddy not helping. You eat all day. See, how's your sister? Good girl, Pippin. Oh, good. Nothing under there, unfortunately. Whoa!
Teddy's protecting baby. You see that? A little bit. He was between them. Hey, Teddy. None of that.
What do you think, Charlie?
It's a pretty good intro. I think Charlie would be really chill with her too.
You eat all day. Meet your sister.
Good girl.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Was that play or was that get the away?
I'm not sure. She's not impressed with her cuteness.
Charlie. Oh. Oh.
Charlie, look at this.
Yeah, you heard him. Charlie, look.
Good boy.
They all seem so like unsure.
A
Like
little bit of a mohawk there.
they get a little scared.
I
Yeah.
don't think he likes you.
Nah.
Can she just watch you goat? She's gonna spectate. Did you meet the chickens? Hello, chicken. Well, so much good eats here, he doesn't always get. So. Yeah. Hey. Out. Hey, Charlie. The cat's open. Hi.
Okay. I think put him back.
You good about that?
Yeah.
Good boy, Charlie, buddy. Nope. Nope. Good. Ow, you're hit. There you go. There you go. Woo! Nobody said it was easy. Keep a farmer.
Hey, baby.
Charlie just has a mild concussion. Huh?
You want to be a farmer?
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's been a pretty fast 2.5 weeks since we put Poppy and her baby in the shed over there. A lot has happened.
Got this baby,
Yeah.
which obviously didn't go so great with the introduction to Poppy, but we feel that it is at least time to test some waters. Athena and Poppy definitely need to go back to pasture now, and Athena has Poppy to kind of be her guardian. So we're not super worried there, plus she's got the built-in food,
Right, so that's nice.
which is great.
We would have moved them a lot sooner, but Leia had pink eye and that kind of delayed the reintroduction to the run. So we're very happy that Leia is rid of the pink eye. She's all good. And so now we can get Poppy back out there. She can have a nice proper pasture again.
Yeah, the last thing we wanted was for a newborn baby to get pink eye. So we really wanted to give Leia her full treatment of antibiotics, make sure that everything was working really well before reintroduction. So we're gonna start with opening this up. We're gonna let Poppy, I'm pretty sure they'll just follow us to pasture. Baby will
so.
follow Poppy along. And then we're gonna pop Penny in and see what happens. We're just hoping that Mary, Pippin, and Leia will all be reasonable girls and not go crazy, but we're gonna stand guard and make sure none of our babies get hurt.
Sure hope not.
Think from that side.
Yep.
Are you ready, Poppy? Are you ready to go back to pasture?
That's a big hell yeah.
Yeah. It'd be nice to have our benches back too, because they were with the boys,
I know.
and we were sitting and having coffee with our boys every morning. We've had to use these benches to be a very special and complicated way to get in and out of this fence here that we didn't put a door on. You're eating my hair.
Do you think I should grab Athena and she'll follow? Or
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Do it. It's the best bait for a mama ever.
Okay, girl. Show off your mama skills. Let's do it.
Come on, Poppy.
Come on. It's really happening. No, this way.
Let's go to pasture, Poppy.
This way. Poppy.
Keep
Hey.
walking and just go figure it out.
Probably not. Come on, baby.
Poppy, be smart about it.
Poppy, be smarter. Be smarter.
Girl.
Be smarter. Okay. Okay, I'll show you. You see? Whoa, force field is gone.
Yeah.
Come on. Don't make me chase you. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Go outside. Okay.
Do you want me to take it? Here, you can put Athena down out here.
Okay.
And I'll watch it.
Okay. Are you scared of the world? This is all you've known for the past 2.5 weeks. I guess she's scared. That way. That way. You can leave. Don't you want to leave? Don't you want to go home? Okay.
All right, come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Poppy. Let's go to pasture. Come on, Poppy. Oh, I gotta eat some onions first.
Yep. I don't blame you.
Come on, Poppy.
Been so long.
Come on, baby.
Baby's coming to you. Yeah.
Oh, she happy.
Oh, no. Poppy, look, baby.
Come on. No.
Now you. Back, you animals. Whoa. Good job, Penny.
Here, Poppy. No.
No. No, it's okay. Okay, you can close it.
Please be nice. Please be nice.
Yeah.
Oh, they love each other.
Oh. Yeah.
Hey, you're being good girls.
Good girl, Pippin. Oh. Oh. Right into the wood. What? Wow. Oh, God. Oh,
Don't you touch my baby.
I'm the alpha again.
These things are hard for farmers. You know, transitions with animals are tough. And we know that, look at her. She's like, that's my girl. See that? She's protecting her.
That's what she's doing. Huh?
And babies are together. Oh, happy.
She's over it.
Penny, be careful now.
That's
See,
what
that's
they
what we
do.
were hoping, because we've been spending supervised visits with Athena and Penny every day for hours, letting them play and bond so that when we put Penny in here, ultimately, she has a buddy on her side. Athena's got her mom. Penny's got nobody except us, and we can't be in here all the time. It's tough. We're gonna see some behavior that we don't like, and we just have to make sure that nobody gets hurt and that we're here and supervising for a little while. And whoa, she knows. See that? She went toward Poppy and then decided, I'm gonna stay away from these big goats. Leia, be nice.
That's a no-fly zone. It's interesting. She's like bucking in a different way. It's not like the get out of my way, that's my food kind of way. She's like, seems like
Kind of playful,
a
but
different kind of like warning, but yeah.
Penny's definitely a little bit of the outsider. You can tell that she has Athena. As long as she doesn't try to get near Poppy's udders. Woo! Penny having fun?
Oh. Okay. Oh.
You want to play, Pippin?
Oh. Oh.
What was that? She kind of postured. Oh, your aunties aren't being nice to you. Meanwhile, Athena's fine. I knew that was going to be a totally fine transition. She's got Mama. They're not going to mess with her. You'd think that like older goats would be like, oh, it's a baby. We'll be sweet to them, but
Nope.
goats are very territorial.
Apparently not.
Well, we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed.
Relatively smoothly. This reintroduction is brought to you by the 3 Amigoats. You can buy it now on lavendergoatfarm.com.
Hay included.
Hay included. It's actually extra, but enjoy.
You're being a good girl. You're being a good girl.